Welcome to my garden journal. This is the full meal plan. This is week 6. For breakfast, I had plantains and callaloo and fried breadfruit. And for lunch, I had this turmeric and coconut spaghetti with some bell peppers and onions. So I made baked beans, vegetarian baked beans for the first time from scratch. Usually I'll have the Bush's baked beans. So I had that with cauliflower and mashed potatoes. For a snack, I had some grapefruit and pineapple and some of the applesauce that I made earlier in the month. And for dessert, I had this lemon brownie. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see what I'm making from scratch next week.